Guys, welcome back to another video. Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you a makeup tutorial today. And I had a feeling that this was going to get really messy, so that's why I put on the robe. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I'm going to get... What am I going to get? Hold on guys. Okay, I'm going to get my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer that has a hair dangling from the bottom of it. Okay, that's enough, Brooke. Okay. I'm just gonna put some under my eyes. Is it on my cheeks? And on my nose, and my robe is falling off. Oh my god. Okay. This is better. Okay, so now I am gonna grab this brush and blend in my concealer. Nope, just kidding. I'm not going to use the brush to blend in my concealer. I'm going to be using this Pink Beauty blender. Okay. Yeah, and I'm just going to blend it in a little bit. I forgot to put water on it to make it a little bit wet. I'm mad. I'm mad. I give up. I'm just kidding. So now, I'm going to grab my Athena palette, which is one of my favorite palettes. This is my eyeshadow palette. And this goes on my eyelids. I'm gonna use some of these brushes. Not that one. I'm thinking this one, yep, right here. This is my old Urban Decay brush that came out of the very first Naked palette. And I'm gonna go in with the color Truth. I'm just gonna put that on my cheek. Yep, and in my eyebrows. Which I forgot to do, but it's okay. Oh, and we're gonna use a different color for the other eyelid. I'm sorry I'm laughing so much, guys. And now I'm gonna be going in with my L'Oreal eyebrow kit. This is the only eyebrow kit I use, and it's freaking like $15 at Walmart. Yeah, so there's no way that this part can go wrong, I don't think. This is pretty simple. I'm going to be using the right one. Yeah, I don't know how I'm doing my makeup without looking, guys, but it's going to look so good, watch. I'm doing it without a mirror right now, look. Okay, so I totally just didn't do the other eyebrow. I didn't feel like it because I don't have a mirror and it's gonna look really bad. Okay, and I'm gonna be putting this BB cream on my cheeks. Yep, right there. And on this cheek. Oh, I'm just gonna smear that one right. Oh god, I'm just gonna take the whole tube. I got mad at this earlier, but it's okay. I brought it back. I'm just gonna smear it in my lips a little bit. No, I'm not gonna smear it in my lips. I'm gonna smear it down my face instead of up. And dabbing, I'm gonna smear. Oh, now I'm gonna dab. There we go. Hey, 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 hey. And now I'm gonna use this for whatever reason. And now I'm just gonna go back to my eyebrows because the first time I couldn't really well, I could put it on, but it wasn't on dark enough. Okay, so there's, nope, down a little bit. Right there is my eyebrow and my eyelid. I just stabbed myself in the eye. Okay, yep, that's a little too much. Okay, yes. I'm gonna do my eyeliner, so wish me luck because I don't have a mirror, so it's gonna be kind of hard, but I'm gonna go ahead and close my eyelid and put it right there. Yep, my wing's perfect too. Now I gotta do my other side. Hey, oh, nope, it was pretty good at first. Okay, and then you're gonna put it underneath your eye too. And in your eyebrow. I'm going for the raccoon eye on Sims. I think I killed it. Look how good that looks. Wow. Yeah. And next I'm going to use my L'Oreal mascara. I got this for free in a box. Oh, I'm just going to dig right in and forget the intro. I'm just going to keep going. Yes. Yes. We'll work it, girl. On my cheek. Yes. That's that. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my Kylie lip kit. I only use Kylie's lip kits because they're the only good ones. And this is in the color Exposed. This is one of my favorites. I'm just going to go ahead and jump into the actual lipstick. Oh my god, you got it in my mouth! I actually just dropped my robe and like stuff came popping out, and that's not good for YouTube unless I put an age restriction. But I would like everybody to be able to watch my videos. And I don't know who that person is behind me. Did you guys just see that? There's a freaking ghost in here. Okay, anyway, I'm going to be using my Rosé palette. It is the off-brand Anastasia Glow Kit palette. I actually got it off of Hush for like $6, so yeah, it's so cute. Okay, I gotta find the good brush for it. I'm gonna pick, not that one, it's a black one, right there by the big pink one. The one behind that one, that you just had. That I just had, I mean. Yeah, so I'm going to use this brush, and I'm going to go in with this color that I barely even just chose. Okay, I think that's enough. And now I'm going to just, yes, put that right on my cheeks. Be looking banger. Oh my god, yes, up my nose holes. And up here, you have to look good for your mans, you feel me? Mason's going to think I look so cute, you guys, like, wow. After this makeup tutorial, though, I'm going to have so many pimples. My face is going to be so broken out. But yeah, my face with baby powder. Yes. Oh! Okay, but yeah, guys, that was all for my video today. Hopefully Mason can be in the next one. But I don't know, I feel like he kind of tries to steal my spotlight. So that's why I didn't do this video with him. Yeah, I just had to fly off my lip. This video was definitely sponsored by Kylie. This is the finished look. Look at how flaky the eyebrows are. Oh, look at the highlight. Yes. And now it's time for me to go on a date with my mans. So, I'll see you guys after this video. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe. I'm done. It's getting way too hot back here.
Okay, keep going.
Hold on. Deleted scene.
So why do I see you peeking? Stop. You can't look. Just feel with your other fingers. Okay.
I can't do this.
Do you see it come out?
I'm done with this.
Oh, you did so good.
We're not doing this.
Okay.
You
We have to do the outro. Put your hand back in.
You don't even look that bad.